The transatlantic slave trade during the 16th to 19th centuries caused several families in Africa to be separated and were forcefully migrated to the Americas. In an attempt to reunite distant family members, genetic genealogy was used. We analyzed the sharing of DNA through GEDmatch, a genealogy database. We focused on the Kasena population in Ghana and analyzed their chromosomes. With the GEDmatch database, we looked for identity by descent IBD segment sharings that matched the participants. Through this, we identified genetic relationships among the Kasena and the African diaspora. Single nucleotide polymorphisms, also known as SNPs, provide the information needed to determine a person's genetic background, and the more that are shared, the closer relationship between relatives. When the number of SNPs shared between two people was above 3,400 centimorgans, we could confirm that this was indeed a parent-offspring dyad, whereas fewer SNPs demonstrated two people being more distant relatives. In total, we had 48 participants that were all from the Kasena population in Ghana. Out of those 48 participants, 14 were parent-offspring dyads. When parent-offspring dyads were identified, we phased the kits using a one-to-many and 3D chromosome browser. Each participant had their own kit number in GEDmatch, which is shown in the first row and column. A matrix was formed to compare the identity by descent segments of each participant. The cells shown in red demonstrate a higher degree of SNPs shared between two individuals. As the number of shared SNPs decreases, so does the color of the cell. Matches that came up from the database could be of people within our research sample, as well as from people who uploaded their own DNA kits to GEDmatch. Moreover, phasing of the kits served as an extra cautionary measure to limit the possibility of false matches and brought us one step closer at confirming relatedness. When looking at a phased kit, a match that came from the offspring must have also appeared as a match for the parent. Once a match was confirmed to either parent, emails were sent to connect relatives and initiate family reunification. With the new discoveries being made, we hope to gather enough intel to create a family tree and go deeper into the participants' genealogical history.